Gang, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. I'm in a good mood like always. What can I say? I'm also feeling like more violent and aggressive, so I think I want to make like something really dark, like for maybe NARDO WICK, his new album. I was listening to it the other day and I felt like I want to rob some people and shoot some people, but that's not what we're about. We're about all love and peace and good ass energy, but still we can make some dark stuff. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video, that way you like learn the most out of it. Try to work with me. Anyways, let's just dive right into the video, gang. Like for these type of beats, I want to go for like a more repetitive type of melody, because these rappers really love to like spit and go crazy on like these simple sounding beats, but they hit really hard, so when the drums come in, it will be like super crazy. So trust me, we're about to make something crazy today, bro. I think right here with the string, I want to go for like a triplet bounce. I heard it in one of his songs as well from the album that it was like using a triplet bounce, so I want to go for that as well. And right here, I want a faster one, like da 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 da. Okay, now we have all the patterns, all the melodies. Let's just like blend it together with some effects. We need to like maybe halftime some stuff, because otherwise it will be like too busy. This sample is just insane, bro. We're really killing this. I got a really good feeling about this beat, bro. We can maybe like pitch it down or up and give like the beat a different kind of vibe, but like so far it's sounding beautiful. For these NARDO WICK type beats, for the hi-hat, you really want to look at like Southside rolls and stuff. In the songs I heard a lot of rolls, and like they really go crazy on the hi-hat, so that's what we're adding today as well. Just like experiment with it. My kit also has some hi-hat rolls in there if you're not that good at making hi-hat rolls. Okay, that is sounding super hard. For the second part of the 808, I wanted to go a little bit more crazier with some like crazy rolls in there, just for like some variation inside of the 808 pattern, because with these sample beats you really want to have like some interesting sounding drums and you can really go crazy. To be honest, I push it down right now, see how that sounds. I need to catch a breath, bro. This beat, this beat is crazy. This might be my favorite beat I ever made on the channel. I don't know. You decide, but I can definitely hear NARDO WICK on this. Like, oh, some nasty flow in there. Like, he goes crazy with his flow. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. This video showed you how Southside makes dark melodies and beats for NARDO WICK from scratch inside of FL Studio. I think we really killed this beat. I'm active on social media as well at Skana Beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys.